Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we explore ways to level up your life, boost your productivity, and conquer the challenges that hold you back. Let me ask you this. How many times have you said, "I'll do it tomorrow," only to watch that tomorrow stretch into next week, next month, or even longer? Procrastination, yep, we've all been there. It's sneaky, it's frustrating, and it can feel like a never-ending cycle. But guess what? It's also something you can absolutely overcome. In today's video, we're diving into 5 powerful habits that will help you break free from procrastination. Take back control of your time and start achieving your goals, no matter how big or small. So, grab a notebook, because these tips are about to transform the way you tackle your to-do list. Let's get started. Habit number 1. Set clear and achievable goals. One major reason people procrastinate is because their goals feel overwhelming. When your tasks lack clarity or seem too big to handle, your brain naturally wants to avoid them. So, start by breaking your goals down into smaller, actionable steps. For example, instead of writing "finish my essay" on your to-do list, break it down into steps like research my topic, write the introduction, and edit the final draft. Each smaller task feels more manageable, and crossing them off one by one will give you a sense of accomplishment that motivates you to keep going. Pro tip: use the SMART goal framework. Make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This way, you eliminate ambiguity and create a roadmap to success. Habit number 2, master the 2-minute rule. The 2-minute rule is a game-changer for overcoming procrastination. Here's how it works. If a task will take less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. Think about those tiny tasks that pile up: replying to an email, putting away your laundry, or scheduling an appointment. These small tasks often take less time than we think, yet procrastinating on them adds unnecessary mental clutter. By handling them right away, you free up your mind to focus on bigger priorities. Bonus tip: if you're struggling to start a bigger task, commit to just 2 minutes of work. For instance, tell yourself, "I'll write for 2 minutes." Once you start, you'll often find the momentum to keep going. Habit number 3, create a distraction-free zone. Let's be real. Distractions are procrastination's best friend. Whether it's scrolling through social media, binge-watching a series, or responding to every notification, these distractions eat up your time and energy. To combat this, design a workspace that minimizes distractions. Turn off unnecessary notifications, keep your phone out of reach, and let people around you know when you need uninterrupted focus time. If you're someone who works well with background noise, consider using productivity apps or white noise playlists to stay in the zone. Remember, your environment plays a huge role in your productivity. The less temptation you have to procrastinate, the easier it is to stay on track. Habit number 4, embrace time blocking. Time blocking is a proven productivity technique where you schedule specific tasks during designated time slots on your calendar. By allocating time for each task, you create a structured plan that keeps you accountable. For example, instead of saying, "I'll work on my project today," block out 9 to 10:30 a.m. for research, 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. for brainstorming, and so on. This approach forces you to focus on one thing at a time, eliminating decision fatigue and the tendency to procrastinate. Pro tip: start each day by prioritizing your most important task, also known as your MIT. Tackle it during your peak productivity hours when your energy and focus are at their highest. Habit number 5, reward yourself for progress. Procrastination often thrives because the tasks we need to do don't feel rewarding. But what if you flipped the script and made progress itself rewarding? Set up a system of small rewards for completing tasks. For instance, after finishing a work session, treat yourself to a short walk, a favorite snack, or a quick break to watch a funny video. Knowing there's a reward waiting for you can motivate you to push through even the most challenging tasks. Tip: pair this habit with a checklist or a habit tracker. Seeing visual proof of your progress, like boxes checked off or streaks maintained, can be incredibly motivating. And there you have it, 5 habits that can help you break the cycle of procrastination and start getting things done. Remember, overcoming procrastination isn't about being perfect. It's about progress. Each small step you take gets you closer to your goals, and these habits are tools to make the journey easier and more fulfilling. If you found value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need a little productivity boost, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more tips and strategies like these. Now it's your turn. What's one habit you're excited to try out? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay motivated, stay focused, and keep crushing those goals. You've got this.